So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add shadow to text here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So first thing you have to do is open up Canva. Once that is done, I want you to add some text. So go to the left hand side here, I'll press on add a heading. Now by default, there actually is no effects or anything added to this text right here. So I'll just type in the word effects just like that. So what you can basically do to add the shadow effect or to add some shadow, it's fairly straightforward. Pressing the text right here. I want you to go up to where it says effects right here in between animate and transparency. Press on effects. On the left hand side of your screen, under style, the second option right here is shadow. If you press on shadow, as you can tell, there is a little bit of shadow. You can change the offset by sliding this to the right, making it more profound, or less profound by sliding it to the left. You can change the direction as well of the shadow if you want, whatever the case may be there. That's up to you. You can add some blur to the text if you want, or you can also add some more transparency or less transparency to make it sort of more prevalent or less prevalent. But fairly straightforward. That is how to add the shadow effect or how to add shadow to text here on Canva using Canva Desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.